Welcome to in front of me HUAWEI Mate 20 Lite, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go into the Google folder and launch the Gmail application, and on the right upper corner tap on this icon, and here you can see that I'm just logged in into two accounts at the same time. So just to log out from this account, you should tap here on the manage accounts on this device, and then just go to the Google not to the Google services, but to the users and account, and here tap on the Google section, and here you will see that we'll get here these our two accounts. And for example if you want to just to log out from the second one, tap there, and here you will see the remove icon. Just tap on this icon and tap to remove, and as you can see we stay only with the one Gmail account. So we'll just go back here to the application, we'll refresh, and as you can see we stay in our application only with one Gmail account, Google account. And as can you see, that's really simple. By this way you can log out from the Gmail account on HUAWEI Mate 20 Lite. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.